We got a Grob 4V-18, serial number 963. The year is a 1970. So it is variable speed. There's some gear shifts for high-low. It's got air in, air out on the table. It's kind of cool. You just put a block in here. This block removes. You have the block there, and then when it's out, you can put your piece in front of here, and then it'll push it into your blade. So you don't have to use that, but it's a nice feature. And then there's one of these push things too that you can put your part in there, keep your hands away from the blade. It's got a work light, lights on. It's got a blade welder. We've tested it, it runs. The blade welder sparks. So anyways, there's a grinder. The grinders, you just lit that up. So anyways, it's a Grob 4V-18. Let's turn it on. There you go. Okay, we had a Grob model 4V-18.